The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Stephen, Hamid, Salem. Guys, good morning. Chris, good morning. Excuse me. Guys, today is Thursday, August 20th, and it is the good morning, Jim, Cotty, good morning, Donna, Patrick, Randy, Sue, good morning. It is the dreaded continuing and initial jobless claims at 8:30. Let's see what we get. Silver is, my silver bots are on. My bonds are on. I have not turned gold on yet. I will wait till after jobless claims. Yuri, good morning. Just taking a quick spin around, guys. The markets, Dow futures down about 110 points. S&P is off 12 and a half handles. NASDAQ's off 15. Russell's off 9. DAX off 115. VIX futures are up about 2.33%, and VIX cash is up almost 6%. Good morning, James. Just quickly looking at the overnight session. Small sellers in the NASDAQ, just over 400. Small buyers, 25 buyers in the Russell. Gold's got about 300 net sellers. Silver has quite a few buyers at the moment. The ES about 5,700 sellers. Crude has 1,600 sellers, is in a short on the Unirenco. I don't have it on. And the YM has about 900 sellers overnight. So some selling overnight. Futures are down a bit. Bonds are bid again. I did not read the FOMC minutes or pay much attention to it. I do want to show you guys something, though. This is gold from yesterday. This is the zone that I drew yesterday, if you guys remember this. So it's been in this zone. The initial move down was to 39, just above that 38 area that I had seen, identified. But it has come into that 38, and this is the buy zone in here, as I see it. Okay, once again, this was gold yesterday. We drew that, if you guys recall, yesterday. So we're holding that area. We could come down to 20, 22. I don't think so, but, with gold, who knows? But we'll see what we get. Looking at the NASDAQ, we're holding this moving average here at, 231. But we're still in the channel. In any event, guys, we're here. We know we have continuing and initial jobless claims this morning. See if we have anything else. Philly Fed, ADP.
Order filled.
There's another long on silver. Big news, obviously, jobless claims. Here is silver. Silver is currently green, although we're getting this sideways. Same with gold. I do not have gold on. I do not have my gold bots on. Wait till after the news. This is going to chop around. I should have turned it off. This is going to chop around. In any event, good morning. Hope you guys had a great afternoon. Trade was sluggish yesterday, as we had talked about in the morning, waiting on FOMC minutes. If gold can get back above 62, it's got a ways to go. Good morning, Hubba Hubba. Guys, let me quickly read the disclaimer and we'll get on with it, which is basically sitting here. By the way, if you're here on trial, good morning and welcome. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Sri, good morning. Yannick, good morning. And silver is out, guys. I'm going to turn that silver off for the time being. It hit it to the dang tick. Son of a gun. Boy, I hate that. There's first target on the NASDAQ. I hate when this happens, guys. You got filled? Okay. Yes, the settings would be the same. There's target on the bot.
Target filled. Order submitted.
NASDAQ's just flat, guys. Just chopping around flat. Gold should come to 43.4. It's got to come through VWAP.
Order submitted. Target filled.
But low, China talks are part of the government talks. NASDAQ's just parked, guys. This is too slow. Really slow.
Order submitted.
Thanks, Todd. I wish the NASDAQ would do something. Bum, 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 bum.
Order filled.
NASDAQ's just dead slow. I did that yesterday and regretted it. Gosh, I don't know why we're so slow. I mean, look at this NASDAQ, guys. It's literally sitting here. It's just parked. So whatever this trade does here, I will wait till the market's open for this NASDAQ. Gold should come to 43, 4, 5.
Target filled.
There's first target. I'll see if we can get it to go. If it goes any slower, it'd be stopped. It's that slow. I still think we're going to hit 95. So for those that my newer members, for trial members, guys, this is just a little scalping indicator, a little scalping tool that I had built.
Target filled.
Now it's too slow. I'll play with this later. See if gold moves any faster. Two buyers.
Target filled.
There you go. Should come to 43.4. It's got small support, 46. Down through this right here, 46. It comes. A shard of movement would be nice. NASDAQ looks like it's just chopping. These candles are ugly. Small sellers. Boo Yaski. I said 43.4. I'm at 43.3. I missed by a tick. There's 4.
Target filled.
Got it. Got it. There you go, guys. So that's how the scalper works. There's 2 gold trades, 3 contracts each, $940. Okay? Any questions on this, guys? Couple of minutes, I'll take my breakfast break. I didn't turn it. Yes, I am, Patrick. I just didn't turn it back on after the news. I only have 2 hands, 2 eyes, and trying to do everything at once, my friend. But I missed a trade. It's gone to Target. No. No, was not, Charlie. Just hide this. Hey, Tony. Yeah, I think that gold, if it breaks 30 half, it's going to flush down to probably 22. I think we're coming down. Wait on gold. Small support here at 37 down to 35, but a break of 30 half and gold's going to get cranked. Guys, excuse me, 9 a.m. I'll take my breakfast break. I did forget to turn my euro on, as Patrick reminded me. First target was hit. If 30 half breaks, gold's going to get cranked. Come on, gold. Just 15 ticks. Come on. It's only a 1.5. Holding small support at 35.8. I don't like the long. Not yet. But we're just stuck in that buy zone. It's not enough. Got buyers coming in, holding that buy zone again. Crude got hit. Bonds are bid. Let me take a look at. Bonds would be along 79.15. ZB. What do you mean, Jim? Should you have a power failure and you're in a trade? Call your broker. It's no different than if you were in a manual trade and trading on your DOM or chart trader. And I mean, and it's happened to me before. It has happened. This is that time of morning, guys, 9 to 9:30. We get pretty dang slow. Silver's trying to turn up. Crude just getting pummeled. If it comes below 42, it gets hit again. Yes, selling NASDAQ. NASDAQ guys can now trade down to 79 and 66.
Order filled.
Silver just filled a short, but is going to bounce around. $101 million to sell. Yeah, that's a solution, Floyd. Floyd has offered the suggestion: have a Generac generator. I mean, they're fairly, depending on how much you want to run with it. You can buy them cheaply. It's not a bad idea. I actually have to get a generator for my house. Solar panels and a Tesla Powerwall. Not in this lifetime. Not in this lifetime. I'm a fossil fuel kind of guy, Rick. And I'm anti-Tesla. Yeah, I have to get a generator. We've already called. We're waiting for somebody to come out and give us an estimate. We've lost power once since we've been here. Once was enough. Again, another 2 target and maybe 1 tick shy. It was 1 tick shy and doesn't fill. This is the garbage before the open here, guys. That's awesome, Floyd. At a Starbucks. I would be reluctant to trade wireless, though. I would be reluctant to trade on Wi-Fi. Guys, we're still chopping around in this buy zone. We really need to break out of the bottom of the buy zone to take this lower, or we're just going to chug around in this buy zone between 30 and 38. On the open, it looks like NASDAQ wants lower still. Crude is still selling. Jeez. You know, again, I don't run my charts overnight, but whatever 2,200 hours is, you're almost a third target at 69. I mean, this is a monster trade. 20, 39, and 69 target ticks. Huge trade from last night. 10 p.m. Thank you, Dana, my military guy. I would not, I don't like the long. This is going to go long, it looks like, on gold. There isn't a question of, Jim, there isn't an issue of deciding. We run all of them because they don't all take trades simultaneously, right? So, for instance, the 3-minute is well into shorts, the bigger time frame on gold. The 377, which is a very small time frame, will give you trades that the 3-minute does not. 3-minute is going to be more directional. I don't like the long for what it's worth, but a couple of minutes to the open, guys. I think this is just choppy and sloppy. If you look at a 5-minute, we're just sideways. Come on, silver. Let's go. Gold, let's go. There's silver.
Target filled.
First target off on silver. Gold should come. First target off on silver, we're break even +1. This gold is just stuck.
Target filled.
All right, both targets off on silver. We're done with that trade. Both targets. All right, guys. We're close. 1 minute. 1 minute to the open, fellas. Pay attention on the open. Kudlow's advice to Goodyear is they should change their policy. Come on.
Target filled.
There's first target. I moved out to that third target. I don't know that we can get there, but I'm out at third target, 52 ticks. If gold breaks 30 half, it's going to get slapped. All right, guys. NASDAQ is coming into that. There's 79. Next level down is 66 on NASDAQ, 66. Kudlow said a single-digit unemployment number is possible in November.
Stop filled.
Okay, out on gold, first target only. So here's gold.
Target filled.
First target filled. ES, one tick shy of that first target. Yeah, it's into heavy resistance here. ES is into a ton of resistance. Nice done, Salem. Up 740. Okay. First target off on the ES, guys. YM is kind of lagging around in here, but ES has first target. NASDAQ is off to the races. Out on gold. right, guys. Long on the NASDAQ 3-minute. Can you guys hear me okay? Here we go, guys.
Stop target fill.
Come on, break. Let's go. Come on, NASDAQ. Oh, got it. Booyah. We're out, Laura. All right, guys. Done for the day. Got your daily goal. Nice job, Todd. First target is off, guys, at 13 handles. Let me get rid of gold. What? Gold on the 377, guys, is up 12.20. I'm done for the day. It's done. That's it. Shut off. No mas. Finito. In any language, it's done. Okay? Thank Apple, Amazon, and Facebook, fellas. It's like 4 stocks are the whole NASDAQ now. It's ridiculous.
Order fill.
All right, we're long. This is the first trade this week on the ES Uniranko. First trade this week, I think. I could be wrong. Come on, NASDAQ, go get that 59.50. It's got to break 51 and it's a good trade. It should go above 51. Should get that 59.5. All right, pay attention, guys. Pay attention. If the NASDAQ breaks out above 74, 75, we head up to 420. Above 75, we head up to 420. Come on, ES, go get that target. 3.5 handles, it's nothing. I shut gold off, guys. Guys, I still like gold long if anybody wants to take a gold long. Your stop has to be 31.4. It's a big stop. I can give you a better stop, 35. And I have a target at 53. It's 39.4 right now, 39.6, 7, whatever. It's a long here with a target at 53 and a 35 stop. If anybody, is interested in that trade. You're welcome, Jeff. Come on, NASDAQ, go get that 59. Let's go. I will shut this chart off for the session. Again, if you trade Dr. Dean's hours, you got this big short, and now you get this big long. How's it different? I don't have a long on GC 3 minute either, Mimi. I haven't my 3 minute hasn't taken a trade. Here's 3 minute. No trade yet. Let me log into your computer today and take a look at your settings, okay? Your gold 3 minute had a trade? Long or short? $7.12 is the only trade I had. I didn't get this. I may have had my
Order filled.
no.
Order filled.
All right, we got a couple of trades here, guys, so hang on. We have a long on the euro. We have a long on the euro. And we have a long on the YM. Yeah, Henri, here's the YM right here. Right here on the bottom right. So we're long ES, long NASDAQ, long euro, long YM. There's your YM. NASDAQ is now sideways.
Target filled.
That's YM got first target. Yeah, I have Rhythmic too. I mean, again, guys, I can't account for data. As I've said before, and it's in the member area, and one of the things that I have learned, it's how it gets disseminated and sent to your computer. It has nothing to do with the data. One of the prime examples I can give is I had a member sitting next to me in my house using my intranet, plugged into my intranet. We both got crude fills. His was 4 ticks better than mine. I can't explain that. I cannot explain that. 35 was the gold stop.
Order filled.
35. Looks like it got to, you said that the NQ should go up. Yeah, above 75, Rick. Above 75. If NASDAQ gets above 75, she's going to 420.
Target filled.
She's going to 420.
Order filled.
I don't have the bot on, but I don't have it on.
Target filled.
All right, so there's NASDAQ got targets. Okay, I'm shutting NASDAQ off, fellas. NASDAQ's up 1220. I'm done with it. NASDAQ's done. I shut it off. I doesn't need to take another trade. Let's see here. YM is in a long on the 3 minute. Yeah, maybe the clock in your computer. So what you guys might want to try doing is, that's a good point, Floyd. Sync to atomic time. Make sure your computer is synced to atomic time. Gold is going to 53 bucks. That's your target. Good point, especially if you're buying at the market on the next candle. Come on, gold. Anybody long gold? If you're long gold, tell me where you're in gold. Tell me what price you entered. $39.5. Okay. So, and 38, Jock. Okay. So here's what gold. So gold. Here's what we need. Here's what we need on gold. Nice. You guys are all well into the money. Here's what I need. I need a 15-minute candle close. Okay, Mimi. I need a 15-minute candle close. English is a second language. Above this 42.943 area. If we get a 15-minute close above 43, it rockets. There's some resistance at 45, and that's the last of it. Above 45, there's no stopping it to 53. It's a straight shot. Got 5-minute double top at 43. It's got to pop 43, and I'd like to see a 15-minute close above 43. Yes, can't. All right, so there's first target on the euro. YM. I hit second target, but I've moved final target out to third target. Come on, gold, stop being a chooch. Let's go. I mean, the trend is still up. First target off on the ES. What about NQ? It's got to break 75 now. NQ breaks 75, it rips. What is the red dotted line? The red dots, those are trail dots. Your trailing stop. Chart will depend on when you start your charts. Candles will start building differently. Okay, Dana. YM just doesn't want to go anywhere. Come on, gold. Guys, I don't like this gold candle formation right now. I need one more. In 2 minutes, I'm going to get a 15-minute candle. A new candle. I still have higher highs. I still have small-ish buyers. But I really want to see gold power up through 40.8 again. 10 ticks higher. Yeah, I think we're okay. I know it's going at least up here to VWAP. We got this double top here. Come on, 40.8 before the next candle. I got a minute and a half. We should be good. YM just can't get any mojo. Euro's going to be out. Dow futures are down 87. S&P is off 6. NASDAQ's up 36 points. Russell's down 9. It is largely a flat session. Order filled where? Silver. I don't like this.
Top fill.
Out on the euro. Euro's turning over. Gold is going to go with it or pull back.
Target fill.
There's first target again on silver. I will shut silver off after this. Silver should be up. YM is, we're going to be out on the YM. Unirenko, it looks like. Come on, gold. Still holding that 35 by one tick. I don't think it holds, though. Gave ticks. Gave a nice trade. It just didn't go. Judge throws out Trump challenge to DA's tax returns. Support on the NASDAQ is now 55. YM is starting to bid. There goes YM.
Top fill.
Out on silver. Silver's only up 325. I'm going to shut it off. Made money. It's done. It's getting beat up like gold back and forth. I've shut off gold. I've shut off silver. Both silver charts. They are shut off. Gold is shut off. Silver is shut off. NASDAQ 3-minute is shut off.
Order filled.
All right. NASDAQ went long on the 15 range. You can see we're flatlined, guys. This is a 15 range. We're flatlined, completely dead. Support is 55 area. Now it flopped into a short. It's just dead. I don't think it's a short. Missed first target by a freaking tick again. May have even hit it. No, one tick.
Order filled. Order filled. Target filled.
Sweden will join something on a COVID vaccine. I'm not sure what that was about. Sweden joining EU. I don't know why this didn't rise. Come on, this should go. We're stuck in the middle of a 5-minute candle. That's it. Come on, NASDAQ, break out. This thing is going to 11,420. That's where it's headed, 11,420. Gold is turning,
Top bill.
okay, out on the YM, on the Unirenko. YM 3-minute is turned down. NASDAQ, come on. Get up through that opening range high and go. Why am I missing my ES Unirenko? Guys, I can't find my damn chart. I'm missing a chart. I must have minimized it. I cannot find my ES Unirenko, which is still in a trade. All right, Richard. And now gold is powering back up. What a piece of work, man. Guys, it's long. I'm telling you, it's going to 53. I just, it's torquing my jaw with this back and forth. Came about 12 ticks through my stop. I will at the end, Kyle. I know you asked me for it yesterday. I don't have a way to take a screenshot. Yep, 11:30. I'll do totals. Hang on one second, guys. What is that, Floyd? I don't know what that means.
Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Print screen, and I can take a, oh, I don't know. Come on, guys. I can trade better than anybody. I just don't know any. Oh, print screen. Look at that. My daughter just pointed that out. I'm a technological idiot. Yeah, it may for me too. I didn't know what it was. I know, Al, right? There's probably 6-year-olds in my neighborhood that could do that. I have no clue. I really don't. I mean, guys, gold is just chopping around, building a base again. I'm telling you, it's going to 53. It's annoying as hell. It is headed to 53 to 56, 61. It's going back to 2000. It's not, gold is not a short. It's not a short. It's holding that 38 buy zone from last night. Look, this is from yesterday. Remember? It's still holding this zone. That's the buy zone every time it comes back into here. YM is trying to get to this first target on the 3-minute. Crude is actually trying to get a bounce off this bottom, but I don't think so. ES into a 15 tick range. I don't believe it has 3 more handles in it. Maybe I guess it could get to 90. Let me look at the ES. YM is trying. Man, ES broke out above 68. It could trade back to 76. Guys, if anybody is getting an error message, I messaged Joel and he just messaged me back. If anybody gets another error message, let me know. You got an error message just now? Within the last 30 seconds, Terry?
Target filled.
Oh, okay. There's first target, guys, on the YM.
Target filled.
First target is off on the YM. I'll put this out at 98 ticks, see if we can get it. Yeah, Joel said it should be fixed.
Order filled.
Yep. Joel said it should be fixed. Try it again. Here's the 15 range. Log out, log back in. I mean, if you guys want to, this 15 range is just a piece of work today. We've got 1,600 net buyers. I would not be looking for shorts, guys. Would not be looking for shorts. ES may get this final target at 8 handles. Gold is right back in that area where we took it long before. I have gold longs, guys. This 15 range is a complete disappointment this week. Utter disappointment on the 15 range. I cannot figure it out. Works now? Okay, John. Perfect. You are out with DT. What's DT, Ray? Daily target. Nice. Okay, good. Done for day. For those of you guys that we have a few members in the room that are in the auto execute. We're done for the day there as well. We have not had a losing day in August.
Order filled.
That was probably the kiss of death now. Jim, we're just chopping around here, guys. This 15 range is beating itself to death. It's just beating itself to death. You cannot trade this. You can trade it directionally long. There goes the ES, almost the final target. Come on, buddy. Back up long. You are just a rat bag here. One tick from target. We'll call it good. ES is done for the day. Guys, the only thing that, again, everything is trading well except for the NQ on the 15 range. You know, yesterday, I'll shut it off at the conclusion of this trade. It's too small. It's getting chopped up in this stuff, right? This is where the NQ is now. Look, it's down 1,600 with another losing trade. Everything else, I couldn't even shut it off. Look at this. Everything else is green. It's now down $2,000. I'll explain it in a second. Unbelievable. It's off now, guys. The only way I let this take a trade is out of longs. It's not a short. I would be interested in this trade long, maybe around 49.50. If it pulls back 50, call it 51. Yesterday it was gold that broke our chops. And today it's this 15 range. Screw it. I'm done with this, guys. It's off and done. It's just taking a beating in a choppy little sideways. Down $2,100 on that chart. Jeez. There goes gold. Anybody long gold again or still? Anybody long gold? Okay, Ali. I'm telling you, it's going to 53, guys. Gold is going to 53. Nice hold, Gary. It's going to 53 and higher. You're still long. Okay, Oric. Yeah, my 3-minute just took a trade. It is not a short. Gold has some resistance around 46. It's got to punch through 46, right where it stopped. Buyers small in gold, but they're buying them up. I'm telling you, this is going to go to 53 and higher. It'll keep going, but 53 would be my target. YM is close to a 100-tick trade. This is your long on NASDAQ if you guys want a long. I said 50, 51. I came to 51.75. Come on, gold. Power it up right here. Power it up. A little bit of resistance right here. It's got to pop 46. Say goodbye. Come on, buyers. Sellers are trying, but they're getting bought up. It's this 46 number, give or take. There it is. There it is. Popped it. Come on. You got him. You got him on the run. Kill these shorts. They got him now. They got him now. They got the shorts now. They're going to kill him. Come on, you got him. Small resistance again around 47.7, 47.8. We got right to 47.6. You guys want your ticks? Close the trade. Take your ticks. I think we go to 53. 53 half.
Order filled.
Out and done. Nice. Six. Nice trade, Gary. 6 handles, 4 contracts. Nice trade on gold. Very nice trade. Still think we'll see 53. It's just not a straight shot. It's going to 53. The sellers keep trying, but they get bought up. This YM is still working. I'd like to see it get that final target, 98 ticks. There goes NASDAQ. Anybody take it off that 52, 53 area? Anybody take NASDAQ? Okay, Chad. I mean, she's trying. It's got to get up through 70, 71. Okay, Rick. 70.
Order filled.
Out of the YM. Got natural gas inventories right now. Anybody have any questions, guys? How about my trials? This is the, I'll show you guys. This is the auto execute, guys, that I've been doing through BTR trading. They execute the trades. I send them the trades. $15,000 account through the 18th is 18,169. Yesterday we did 3 something, and today it's 4 something. So we're closing in on 19,000. But I have not had a losing trade. July 30th. I had a terrible day. But I have not had a losing day in August. It's anybody that's interested can contact Tim at BTR Trading. It's $199 a month for now. And it is not a how much can I make today kind of thing. I'm generally trading 1 or 2 contracts max. That's it. Usually the NASDAQ, YM, Russell, and gold. Here goes gold. Here's the push now. What about the Unorenco? What about it? Henri. Let me bring out about 1 minute. It was. It's $15,000 account. And it's $199 a month, Al. It's just so you guys know, anybody that's interested, it is not, if the room does 4,000, that program is not doing 4,000. My goal is basically $150 to $200, $250 a day. That's it. That's it. That's it. I make my money and quit. I'm done for the day. I did 2 trades today. I took a 16 tick loss on 1 contract in gold. And then I got 28.5 points in the NASDAQ. So 28.5 times 20, 570 minus 160. So 410 gross minus 3, call it $25. $385 net today. There is no underlying trading strategy. They could be bot trades. They could be order flow trades. There is no strategy.
Order submitted.
Making money, Jim. That's right. You're betting on demand. Thank you, Floyd. Yeah, gold, it's going to go. I don't know why it's so dang, slow, but they're sucking up all these sellers. Every time the sellers come in, they're buying them up. Yeah, small short here on this NASDAQ Unorenco. It's slower than get out, though. Come on, NASDAQ. Stop chugging around. God, the small time frame today is just useless. Remember my target on gold, guys. 53. That's my target if anybody's still holding. 5-3. No, I mean, look, we're consolidating now up here. Look, you got this out of here, and now you're getting this. This is consolidation. This is it. Now you're getting this. Right?
Target filled.
That's what you're getting. It's longs, guys. Look at your delta. You got 2,500 buyers. Anybody really think they should be short NASDAQ? You have 2,500 net buyers. I gave the long at 51, 50, 51. It came to 51.75. There goes gold. 53 is my target on gold, fellas. 53. They're buying them back up in gold. Every time the sellers come in, they push it back a bit. The buyers take it all and take them up again. 53. It's where it's going. It's what's for lunch. I'll be right back, guys. Here's a crud trade. NASDAQ 66 long on the move up, on the move down, maybe to 46. I don't think it comes to 46, but maybe. Gold is looking to, I think, to go hooey. It's trying to break through small resistance here at about 48. If it breaks this little swing here, 48.1. And it right back. What a look at all these sellers in crude. And they're not driving this lower. If crude gets up through 72, it's going to blast off. Through 72. It's hit 72 a few times. If it goes through 72, it's going to go. Gold. Just crazy. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth with gold. Anybody long crude on the bot? Hey, Chad. Just got to pop this 72. It keeps tapping it. Okay, Eduardo. U.S. second target on gold. What did you get second target on CL? Okay. You're up 58 ticks on crude from a discretionary trade. Okay. I mean, the 3-minute had a great trade. I just am not trading this. Went long at 10.21, 13 and 25 ticks. So you'd have what, 26 at 51 ticks here. If this thing pops 72, it's going to go bonkers. Right here. Buyers keep trying. There's 71 again. If this gets to 73, this could squirt quickly. There it is. New 15 range candle here, guys. Oh my God, it held 72 again. It keeps trying, guys. It just maybe 11 o'clock. Hit it again. Come on. You got him. Pump up the jam. Come on, crude. It looks to me like gold. Here would be my gold short if you were going to try a short. It would, 42.5 maybe. 42.4. I still like the longs. There it is. We're above, guys. This should go. If you're in crude. Got the 76. Come on, don't fail. Here's what we're pushing. Now. It didn't go. Back into this top of this little channel in here. Cannot find any buyers. It finds a few and the sellers come right back in. I'm watching the delta. Come on, 186, 140. All right, we got buyers back in. 115, 107. Come on, buyers. Below 100. Sellers back in. Here we go. New 15 range candle. Come on. Got the 77. There it is. Hit target, no fill. Hit it, no fill. Hit it, no fill. It's on target, guys.
Target filled.
There it is. Got your target. First target off. NASDAQ's target is 420. That's your target on NASDAQ, 420. Gary, if you took that small short at 42.5, wasn't much of a trade, 10 ticks. I still like the longs on gold. I think it's a fake out. Came back into support. Give me a minute, guys. And there goes gold. There goes gold. I mean, she's a tough trade today, fellas. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. But it's going to 53. NASDAQ is going to 420. Yeah, and the long on the NASDAQ was that pullback to 46, which I said I didn't think it would get there, or above 66. Anybody take NASDAQ above 66? You only have 20 handles in it. Thank you, Barbara. Nice. Barbara took it. Anybody else take NASDAQ above 66? Oh, there's 50. Okay, Charles. We're going to 53. I've been saying it for 2.5 hours, 2 hours. We're going to 53. It's just a really back and forth kind of ugly trade. Yeah, I mean, this is one of those trades in gold where, the stops get run. Listen, they're just collecting contracts, guys. They're taking this back to 2000. It's going higher, maybe 2100 again. It is going higher. NASDAQ was a monster. Got almost 30 handles in the NASDAQ. I've got a target on the NASCracky at 420. And if we break out above 438, you can wave goodbye to that. I mean, literally say goodbye. I know, again, most of you guys are not position traders, right? But look at the NASDAQ on a daily chart. This is the NASDAQ on a daily, right? We could trade all the way up into 700, 800. Oh, God, I got lucky. 53 on NASDAQ. How about that? I mean, on gold. How about that? 53. Yep. I get lucky, man. My targets are good, guys. The stops, they get run. There's nothing I can do. They now we're going to 56 and 61. Thank you, Gary. Those are big trades, guys. Those are not 10, 12 tick little BS. If your nerves matched my targets, you'd be rich. Nice job, Gary. Guys, and listen, I'm not a swing trader either, or a position trader either. Maybe I should be. Thank you, Jacques. Thank you, Dana. Guys, look, for those of you guys that are new, you're welcome, Jacques. For those of you guys that are new, and for my trials, if you can't make money in this room, you cannot make money. You can't make money. Yeah, that's, listen, Todd, I have the deep pockets. Oftentimes the brass knockers, I flinch on. Thank you, Mimi. Jacques, hasta mañana. See you tomorrow, Jacques. I mean, again, guys, it's, I'm not trying to self-tout, but we've been doing this a long time, and it's rare we don't make money. I mean, we have down days like anybody. There are times when, the market's just, yeah. You mean from Monday or show it to you on Monday, Henri? Yes, I can show it to you on Monday. Yes. There's just not been any more trades. Here it is. This is the trade I took. It got all targets, but it took me out on the break even. The break even, the break even it's like a pacifier. It makes you feel good, but unfortunately it costs you more money than, most everything comes back to break even. You're better off, in my opinion, Dean doesn't even use the trail or the break even.
Order filled.
All right, I'm done with that, guys. We're coming up on 11 o'clock. I'll give you guys totals for the day. It was still a pretty good day on the bots and surely on the order flow. All right, guys, here we go for totals. Disregard this euro on the daily. That's nothing. Euro on the 3-minute up 187.50. Crude on the Unirenko up 420. ES on the 8 range up 162.50. ES on the Unirenko up 750. Disregard this DAX. This is nothing. Gold on the 3-minute up 210. Gold on the 377 up 1220. NASDAQ on the 3-minute also up 1220. Russell 15 range up 295. Silver on the 6 range up 325. Silver on the Unirenko up 775. YM on the 3-minute up 580. And YM on the Unirenko down 525. And then the dagger in the heart, NASDAQ on the 15 range down 2,175. We are up $3,445. $3,445. Still not a bad day, guys. NASDAQ was just a killer on the small time frame. Hey, Jeff, let's see here. You traded gold, NQ, and ES. You're up $5,000 today. Simmer live, Jeff. So Jeff, one of our members, using Dean's settings from his Phalanx, gold, NQ, and ES is up 5K. Yep, you can. Hang on one second, Dana. You want this? Now, I don't have any of these trades. It's been shut off, Dana. I don't have any of these trades. I shut it off after this last winning trade here. I shut it off at 10 o'clock. No, Dean's settings are the same as mine. Dean doesn't use different settings. What Dean does differently than I is, one, he starts them at 6 a.m. Eastern, and two, Dean trades his Phalanx. So, for instance, okay, he uses ATR of 12. Okay. But for instance, Dean may not have traded silver today. Or Dean may not have traded crude today. I don't know. So Dean, again, today is what, Thursday? God bless. I didn't think Dean traded NASDAQ on Thursdays. I could be wrong. Let's see here. Finished up 54.85 on 3 different live accounts today. Nice job, Gary. Nice job. Recheck the math. 1220 was not added. You get 4,390 cents for the daily profit. Yeah, I don't know what day it is either. See you tomorrow, Chris. Great job, by the way. Great job. Yep, that will start soon enough. Listen, guys, I can't wait for